Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sahil. So tell me a bit about yourself, Sahil.
So myself, Sahil Nani. I was born and raised in Udaipur. I have completed my schooling from San Gregorio Senior Secondary School and scored 86 percentage in 12th. Currently, I am in third year pursuing my BTech from Gitanli Institute of Technical Studies, Udaipur. And talking about my technical skills, uh, I have a learning experience in this blockchain technology. I have an experience in developing this Solidity smart contracts and deploying them on Ethereum blockchain, which are written in Solidity programming language. Apart from that, I have an experience in programming languages such as C, C++, and Python. And I have also built a few projects on using Monstack. Monstack is, which means that using Node.js for the backend, React for the front end, and MongoDB as a database. And I am passionate about developing decentralized applications and building smart contracts and deploying them on Ethereum blockchain. And I am currently working on Web3.
Right, Sahil. So what kind of job do you want to get from the campus placements?
So I want to be a blockchain developer or a Solidity developer in the future, which is basically working on Web3.
Blockchain developer. Right. So tell me, in simplest of the forms, what is a blockchain?
Yes, sir. So blockchain is a technology, and currently we are working on Web 2. This Zoom meeting is based on Web 2, which was invented in 1999. And now there is a trend of Web 3. Web 3 is fully based on blockchain. In this, there is no such central authority. Suppose consider an example of WhatsApp. We are trusting the owner of WhatsApp that they will not use our data for a malicious purpose.
Hmm.
But in this case of blockchain, no one can access your data, and it is fully secure. We use asymmetric cryptography in this, and there is no such central server on which our application is placed. We place these applications on various nodes, which are on which the blockchain is working.
What is a blockchain?
It is a decentralized system
Of what?
consisting of
So
nodes.
what is the difference between the distributed control system? Are
In
distributed
center,
control system equal to blockchain?
sorry, sir.
Are distributed control systems or distributed systems
Yeah,
equals the blockchain?
yes, sir. It not
So
not
distribution control systems are blockchain, right?
नहीं, sir.
नहीं, फिर क्या
Blockchain
है?
is
Blockchain होता क्या है?
blockchains
ये
contain blocks on which we can place our data, and
हाँ
every block is interconnected to the other block,
ठीक है.
which are running on different nodes,
वो होता क्या है
which are
blockchain?
the
Yeah, is it a block? Is it what is
yeah,
it?
it contains blocks, number of blocks on which you can place your data.
Okay, right. And what use do you of this data?
We can access them. We have to trust no one. There is no such central authority to trust.
Okay.
It completely removes the word trust.
So give me a big use case that is in the process of implementing the blockchain.
Yes, sir. Consider this example of we are using WhatsApp.
Give me a
We are
big something that is happening at the global level. Don't give me WhatsApp small example. Give me an established use case of blockchain that is under development right now globally.
every social media app, every app. These are centralized apps. We can
We have understood my question. I'm asking, give me a global use case where the blockchain methodology is being applied right now. Is in the development.
is in development. So this is only the use case.
Sorry,
So this is the use case only,
which one?
that uh, we should place our app on blockchain.
Okay. Which
Consider an example.
which industry is leading the blockchain development?
Suppose Stimit. Stimit is a social media app which is fully based on blockchain. OpenSea. We can trade our NFT on OpenSea.
Okay.
Uniswap.
So have you done any projects on blockchain? Have you
Yes, sir.
participated in any projects?
Yes, sir. So
What project? Tell me.
I have created a charity app on which someone can buy or give their Ethereum tokens to me for the charity. Second one, I am currently working on a project on which you can sell your NFT and someone NFT of the property. Suppose someone wants to sell their properties NFT to the
Right.
contract and someone wants to buy that. So you can trade your NFT through that platform.
All right. Some quick feedback for you, Sahil. Your communication skills are fine, and you have some knowledge of blockchain.
Sahil.
Hello, good afternoon. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon. So, computer science, why?
So my interest was in computer science. Before 12th also, I have started coding. I have learned programming languages like C and C++. I was doing my competitive coding in C++. And I love to do this. I love to participate in the contest where we build our logic on CodeShare.
Okay. And what is your interest area?
So my interest area is in blockchain development.
Blockchain. What blockchain development means?
So blockchain is a fully distributed immutable ledger. And in blockchain development, we used to deploy our websites or our applications on the currently built blockchains like Ethereum and Solidity and all.
Okay. What are the latest technologies are in the market as of now? Now everybody is talking about AI. These all artificial intelligence, machine learning. These all stuffs. So what basically these all stuff having the applications and what are the uses of these all latest technologies?
So we can improve our old apps. Suppose this can improve. This can bring a change in medical industry, in banking industry. Suppose in medical industry, AI is changing. Suppose you want to detect a disease. So by just saying few words on your phone can detect that you are having this or this disease. This can be done by using ML and AI, and by detecting the future, by detecting the future trading, by detecting matches. There is an AI that can detect the what will be the this particular shares. What will be the this will increase or decrease by reading the old data.
Okay. What do you understand by data science, Sahil?
So data science means working on currently collected data and improving our application and judging the future. This can be used in many business and product-based industries.
Okay. So the data science is also related to the forecasting.
ML. Forecasting, yes, sir.
So forecasting we normally do by data science, right?
So it involves many things. Data science is also a part of that. We also see the past data, that how was this temperature and what will be it will be cloudy or at that time, at that particular time.
So many kind of research which is happening in earlier days, that was also related to the forecasting and these all stuff. So is there any kind of difference in between the earlier research and forecasting what they were doing and the present scenarios forecasting through the help of the data science and
Data
the
science.
artificial intelligence?
Yes, sir. So data science, it has involved, improved, the data science has improved this industry.
Have you got confused what I have asked to you?
Yes, I
just wanted to ask that in the earlier days, the forecasting is not taking place nowadays. It is taking place from many years,
Past
right?
10 years. Yes, sir.
Everything we do forecasting. So there are many ways to do the forecasting. There is
Yes,
some kind of marketing analytical test also by which we do the forecasting, right? So in nowadays, whatever forecasting we are doing with the help of the latest technologies, it is different from the earlier days forecasting, or it is the same way?
Yes, sir. It is more accurate now. As we have a lot of data, sir.
Okay, it is having 0% mistakes, or there is also some chances of any kind of mistake in the forecasting?
Yes, sir. There are chances. It is not the 100% accurate. The method is
What is-
same
you know, what
as
is the
before.
use of it? Earlier also some kind of mistakes were happening. With the help of these latest technologies, also the forecasting is not taking place full-fledged correctly. Then what is the use of it?
So method is same, but accuracy is improved. Before there was 50% accuracy. Now there is 90% accuracy.
So how we can achieve 100% accuracy?
So by collecting more and more data and improving our technologies, I
For
think
example,
maybe
we
in
are
the
taking
future.
data through the samples, right? Because if we have to do the analysis of a population, so we cannot go to 141 crore people and then we can talk to them and then we can analyze the data.
Yes, sir.
Every time we take the samples, right?
Yes, sir.
And definitely, if we are taking samples, there will be some kind of mistakes will always be there. So what are
Yes,
the
sir.
best ways by which we can get the 100% accurate data?
So data is already there on internet. We can use that which is correct data, and it is also checked by many big companies, and many big companies are using that data.
For example, somebody will talk about the employability rate in India, in our country. Whatever rates we are getting, that is perfectly correct.
Not perfectly correct, but there are some errors.
Yeah.
It is not 100% accurate. There are
The data
some.
on which they are doing study, that is the sample what they are taking from each places, right? The samples,
Yes, sir.
what they are getting, are they really giving correct or not? We are not knowing.
So
So
we
how
have
we
to
can
trust them.
proper employability rate? How we can properly rate it?
So we have to trust them. It is more than 90% the data is accurate only.
Okay, more than 90%. Which technologies is the best technologies to do the forecasting in your knowledge?
I think so. So data science can only, I think, improve this forecasting method.
Okay. Okay, Sahil. Nice talking to you. You seem a good candidate, right? How you are in coding? You're good.
Yes, sir. I have been giving contest on platform CodeChef. My highest rating was 1678, and my global rank was 13,000, and which is a bit good. I am a 3-star coder at CodeChef. I have been doing that contest and performing on that platform since past 1.5 years.
Good. Nice one.
So what is the basic concept of working of blockchain? Why it is been named blockchain?
So the basic unit of blockchain is blocks. Blocks are interrelated and interconnected to each other. Every block is connected to the previous one. On that block, it involves hash, previous hash, and we can store our data on that. It involves timestamp, and it involves the nodes on which the current blockchain system is working. It also has miners to mine new and new blocks and validate transactions.
So why it has been why it has been so said that the blockchain is the most secure technology?
Because the word trust is completely removed. There is no such central authority in this field which is accessing your data, which has an access to your data. Only you can access your data, no one else can. It is decentralized system. Your data is being placed on different nodes. No one can change that data. It is basically an immutable ledger. So it is fully secured. We use asymmetric cryptography in this, where we generate private and public keys. So it is fully secure.
This concept has already been cryptographic concept has already been used in earlier days. So what is
Yes,
new
sir.
in this?
New in this is it is immutable. No one can change this. It is placed on different nodes. So if a hacker change data on one node, the other nodes will be will the other nodes will get the other nodes will get the information that this has changed. So no one can change that and no one can use that.
Okay. So any desired companies you are looking for as a blockchain, because not yet any company has come for the placement regarding the blockchain.
Yes, sir. So Infosys, yes, sir. Accenture, and all these companies are working on blockchain currently. Google Cloud has also partnered with the Tenzos blockchain to build more and more Web3 decentralized applications, and CoinSwap and
So
Cloudflare.
any desired companies you have made that list that for these 5 companies I will apply after my BTech, during my BTech final year.
Yes, sir. Nest, Google, and CoinSwap.
Website, which website or what is the application you have made?
Currently, I have built, not currently, but a few months ago, I built a gym website using React.js, Node.js, MongoDB, and Express.js. And I have also built an informative website.
So
Yes, sir.
In the React, and I was last in the discussion, I was hearing that you are more competent in the React, not JS.
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between this .NET framework and React?
React is basically new. .NET is a bit old technology. New companies are working on React.js. React.js is more comfortable, or you can build more beautiful websites, more efficient website on React.js.
So there is a new change in the .NET, that is they introduced the core, CORE, .NET Core.
Yes, sir.
They have introduced the .NET Core. So what is the difference between the .NET Core and React? Because any of the technology that will lead position in the market, Microsoft will definitely come with new technologies or new enhancements.
Yes, sir. So I am not a bit familiar with .NET. I have never worked on this technology.
Okay, so it's good, Sahil, that I know you are working good. Definitely you will crack something good.